Hey guys, what's up, and it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Huawei P30 Lite versus a Realme 2 Pro, and this phone is giving you a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor with a 8GB RAM, while the P30 Lite is giving you a high silicon Kirin 710 processor with a 4GB RAM. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time and let's see how much a difference between both of these phones. And logo came first on the Huawei P30 Lite. Realme 2 Pro is faster and Huawei P30 Lite is also right behind. About 1 or 2 second difference between both of these phones. Everything is closed up in the background. The phone dialer and faster on the Realme 2 Pro. Next up is the settings, and that was about the same on both phones. Launching the My Clock and just a tiny bit faster on the Realme 2 Pro. Next up is the calculator, and seems like that was about the same on both phones. Launching some more application like the My Files and faster on the Realme 2 Pro, and Huawei P30 Lite is right behind. Launching some games application, and first is the Candy Crush. Realme 2 Pro is faster and Huawei P30 Lite is right behind. 1 second difference here. The Subway Surfer, and both phones is showing me a logging thing, so that is why a huge difference in this game application. But Realme 2 Pro is again faster there with a faster processor, and Huawei P30 Lite is right behind. Last game application we have the Temper Run 2. And again Realme 2 Pro is again faster there, and Huawei P30 Lite is right behind. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera, faster on the Realme 2 Pro, and Huawei P30 Lite is right behind. Launching the internet browser on both phones, Google Chrome versus a Google Chrome. Show you guys what is the speed in internet browser and same Wi-Fi network. First website is the wikipedia.org, faster on the Realme 2 Pro. P30 Lite is right behind. And let's go back, and launching the next website is the apple.com. Realme 2 Pro is faster, but it is not showing me the content before, and now it is showing me the content as well. Let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and 4GB RAM versus the 8GB RAM on the Realme 2 Pro. Last is the internet browser on both phones, and overall I'd say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Realme 2 Pro, and Huawei P30 Lite is right behind to the Realme 2 Pro. RAM measurement is very good on both phones, not much difference between both of these phones. Thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Huawei P30 Lite versus a Realme 2 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.